Cape Utilities 450mm PE wastewater pressure main upgrade. The pipeline corridor passed through a Bush Forever site that is also a wetlands catchment. To minimize the need for clearing and disturbance of potential acid sulfate soil, it was determined that the most environmentally friendly option would be to use Cape's EcoPlow to install the pipeline underground. The site was also sensitive to dieback, which necessitated a stringent clean-down protocol prior to vehicles entering the area and prevention of soil movement in a westerly direction. Cape achieved a first for WA by installing a large diameter, high wall thickness PE pipeline with a high degree of accuracy. The EcoPlow installed the pipeline from start to finish in 3.5 hours. However, months of complex machine modifications were required to enable the plow to install the large, thick pipe. Through the constant diligence of all involved, the Cape team delivered the complicated project through a highly important, sensitive ecosystem with no environmental damage. Downer EDI Works, Rowlands Bridges Replacement Project. This project involved the replacement of 2 existing rail bridge structures and lifting 150 metres of track between the bridges and at the approaches. It was delivered in a high-pressure environment adjacent to the Southwestern Highway and had a considerable amount of attention from passing motorists, local residents and online rail enthusiasts from around the globe. Downer's early contractor involvement allowed the company to use its vast rail project experience to optimize engineering and track geometry. Downer's methodology not only saved money for the client, it also provided a track alignment that required no additional maintenance and tamping. Downer employed a single large crane to lift the central bridge span into place, rather than the 2 crane lift originally proposed. This reduced time, mitigated potential risk to the Collie River and avoided the need for a complicated lifting operation. Careful planning and execution by Downer ensured the project was completed 21 hours ahead of schedule. Macca Limited, Gruyere Gold Project, Site Bulk Earthworks, Access Roads, Airstrip and Tailings Storage Facility. Gruyere is a new gold mine east of Laverton in the Goldfields region. Macca's construction contract was for mine site infrastructure development, including a 19-kilometre upgrade of Mount Shenton Road, 27 kilometres of site access roads, process plant pad foundations, tailings dam, airstrip and all minor access roads. The scope included all earthworks, roadworks, drainage, pavements and lighting. Macca's original site access was via a small exploration airstrip and tracks. By completion, the greatly expanded workforce was accessing the site by the new airstrip, suitable for jet planes, and the new all-weather access roads, both constructed by Macca. The site grew from a fly camp with Macca as the primary contractor on site to a large and well-developed camp with many contractors. Macca worked with the client and other contractors to manage this transition of the working environment, as each new stage brought new challenges to be worked through together. WBHO Infrastructure and SRG Global, Margaret River Perimeter Road, Stage 2. The new perimeter road provides a bypass route for transit vehicles and trucks. Stage 2 works comprise 10 kilometres of new road, tie-ins to existing roads, multiple drainage structures, a 96-metre 3-span road bridge and a 35-metre pedestrian bridge. While rock at the project was expected, its extent and hardness were not. Where rock blasting was not possible, the MRPR JV pumped expanding grout into drilled holes. The grout expanded and cracked the rock enough for it to be excavated. The bridge structures presented the most technically complex planning challenges. For the main bridge lift, a combination of a 650-ton crawler crane and a 350-ton mobile crane replaced the original concept of a 650-ton crawler with a 110-metre boom, which was practically unachievable. Tailored crane platforms ensured the lifts could be safely completed in close proximity to the completed bridge abutments and wing walls.